Hello drummers, and those just a little bit curious to what drummers actually get up to. Tony here again with a short follow-up video to the Flam. So first and foremost, if you don't know what a Flam is, you need to go and check out my other video all about the Flam. This will enlighten you and you'll be able to move on and progress to the Flam Tap, today's short video. So now we're back up to speed with the Flam. Let's delve into the Flam Tap. It's a Flam followed by a single tap. And with this rudiment, again, we're going to be able to play it both directions. I'll demonstrate a few. So what did I just do then? Let's break it down. I played a Flam, left stick low, right stick high, and then I followed it with a single stroke in the right. So essentially I'm doing two rights and two lefts, with a little grace note, that acciaccatura, in front of the first of the pair, like this. And the opposite. So when played smoothly as an exercise, we get flam, tap, flam, tap. Yet again, I'm going to say it, keep nice and relaxed, don't have any tension, keep that stick nicely in that fulcrum position, loosen up. Told you it was a short one today. That's the Flam Tap. Okay, see you on the next one.